everybody, I was going to teach this to you today, but obviously I am out sick, so we are going to quickly go over how to do the electron, that's not how you do that, the electron configuration of D block ions. So we talked about how to do the electron configuration of ions a little bit last class, but we haven't really gone over what to do for the D block, and it's slightly different. So for the D block, all you really need to do is, I'm going to do iron. So we'll do iron, and then I'm going to write my electron configuration. You should probably have your periodic table out for this. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3d6. Okay, so that's my electron configuration for iron. If I was doing my electron configuration for the iron ion, Fe plus 2, then I'm going to remove 2 electrons. We did this last time, but what's important to remember is that when you remove electrons, you remove them from the highest energy level. And 3D is not actually the highest energy level. 4s is. Remember, the highest energy level is the one with the highest coefficient. So instead of removing it and forming 3d4, you would do 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. We're taking them out of the 4s2. We're getting rid of these 2 electrons here. And then we're left with 3d6. So my electron configuration for like the noble gas configuration would be, hold on, I gotta zoom out. And I gotta pause because zooming out is not working very well. Hold on. Alright, so I actually have my periodic table in front of me now. Shocking how it's a lot easier when you actually have that. So for the noble gas configuration of the iron plus 2 ion, we would do argon, and then from argon we took out the 4s2 electrons, and then I would just write 3d6. So this would be the electron configuration of Fe plus 2. So let's do another one. Let's do, hold on, I'm dying. And we're back. Okay, so let's do the electron configuration for zinc. So zinc always forms a plus 2 charge. So I would have, for the neutral atom of zinc, it would be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. And then if I'm going to form zinc plus 2, I would get rid of the 2 electrons in the 4s orbital, and I would be left with 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10. So you would remove the 2 electrons from the 4s instead of removing them from the 3d. You would not have, the bad way to do this would be, and I'm going to do it in green, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d8. This is the wrong way to do this, because we didn't remove the electrons from the highest energy level, which would be the 4s. So make sure you take your electrons out of the highest energy level first. This is really only a problem with the D block elements, because after that the highest energy level is going to be whatever energy level you write last. It's really only a problem for the D block. We're not even going to bother worrying about this for the F block, but it will be a problem for the D block. Make sure you study this. Text me if you guys have issues.